Anytime now, race number 3. All set, ready to race. Race number 3, and the race is on. A Star of Jonah from the outside, rushing up Square Deal. Smart Winner on the further outside is Fair Weather Friend. A Star of Jonah, Fair Weather Friend by the release, the outstanding favorite. Number 4, Smart Winner. Square Deal racing in fourth by about 4 lengths by Doral. Is entry number 2. This one is Classic Example. And racing on the outside is Burdensome. And inside the last 750, Fair Weather Friend followed by Smart Winner running by the Foxy Snows to grab the lead. A Smart Winner is now the leader. And racing inside, Fair Weather Friend, Star of Jonah racing on the outside. A Square Deal racing in third by about 3 lengths. And as they race the last 450, a Smart Winner, Star of Jonah on the outside, Fair Weather Friend and Square Deal. As they race the last 300, a Smart Winner by a length and a half, a Star of Jonah on the outside, a Smart Winner, Star of Jonah on the outside, but still Smart Winner, a Star of Jonah fighting for the lead. A Smart Winner, a Star of Jonah moves up, and finally a Star of Jonah, the horse of Mr. June Gorospe Jr. Second, Smart Winner, Magical Bell, number 7, Square